Lee Reloading Stand Instructional Video. This video covers the assembly of the Lee Reloading Stand, catalog number 90688. Congratulations on the purchase of your Lee Reloading Stand. We designed this stand for the reloader with limited working space, an overwhelmed workbench, or someone looking for a solution to their portable reloading needs. The sturdy powder-coated steel stand reaches 39 inches tall and places your press at the perfect counter stool or standing height. The 10-inch triangular steel top plate uses the patented Quick Change Lee bench plate system. There's more. The reloading stand includes a sturdy steel shelf with two bench plate receivers that will neatly and securely store your extra presses or multiple accessories. Included with the stand is one storage bin for component or tool storage, which clips onto the steel bin bracket provided with the stand. Each leg has 8 mounting holes that will allow you to accessorize your stand with a multitude of bins, catalog number 90687, shelves, or an accessory die rack, catalog number 90680. Additional blank hardwood blocks and fastener sets, catalog number 9051, can be purchased for mounting additional presses or multiple accessories. At www.leeprecision.com, you will find drill templates for all metallic Lee reloading presses. Your Lee reloading stand includes assembly instructions, full of detailed illustrations, and a full parts list. Included is a drawing to customize and make your own extended work surface. The Lee reloading stand is perfect for the apartment dweller or anyone who is limited on space. Lee load stand assembly instructions. Step number 1, fastening Z brackets to intermediate plate. Grab a steel Z bracket and a 3/16 inch shoulder bolt. Take a wave washer and slide it onto the shoulder bolt. Next, take two 3/16 inch washers and put them on to the intermediate plate, lining them up with the holes for which the Z bracket will be mounted to. Position the steel Z bracket as shown. Take the 3/16 inch shoulder bolt with wave washer installed and install into inboard side hole. Take another 3/16 inch shoulder bolt and install into outside hole. To secure this assembly, lift up the intermediate plate with Z bracket attached, turn it around, and install two 3/16 inch nuts. Simply thread it onto the bolt. At this point, we need to tighten this assembly. So take a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 3/8 inch wrench and tighten the nut. Repeat step 1 an additional 3 times, as there is 4 Z brackets on the intermediate plate. Step number 2. Place 2 legs down on a level surface and attach legs to top plate using supplied 1/4 inch carriage bolts and 1/4 inch nuts. Finger tighten 1/4 inch nuts on carriage bolts. Step 3. Align the square hole in the top plate and the square hole in the intermediate plate as shown. Attach the intermediate plate to the legs using the provided 1/4 inch panhead bolts and 1/4 inch nuts. Install third leg and securely tighten all fasteners. Step number 4. Attach steel Z brackets with 1/4 inch bolts. Do not fully tighten them at this time because you need these bolts to be loose to allow the bench block to slide in. One nice feature of the Lee reloading stand is that it includes a storage bin, which you can use for tools or even to put your loaded rounds in when you're done loading. To top it off, it comes with this stamped steel mounting bracket, which is very sturdy. I like to mount it on the right hand side to place my loaded rounds in. So at this point we will mount the steel bracket for which the accessory bin mounts to. We want to take a 1/4 inch panhead bolt and we're going to put it on the right leg, so you position it as such and take the corresponding 1/4 inch nut and thread it on the back side. And do the same with the other hole. Each leg has 8 mounting holes to allow you to place a multitude of bins or die storage racks. Next we want to take a number 2 Phillips screwdriver and a 7/16 inch wrench, and we want to tighten this up. Then it's as simple as taking the bin and sliding it on the bracket. The final step of assembling your Lee reloading stand is to take the steel concrete block hangers and you want to attach them to the intermediate plate. There are 2 holes that are still open on the intermediate plate, one being on the front. There's 2 on the front side and there's 1 on the following corresponding side. As you can see on your steel concrete block hanger, there are these hooked ends. We want to hook the ends through the front hole as shown. Now take the steel concrete block hanger and swing it down. We want to apply it the same action as we did on the front hole to the corresponding side hole. Once your concrete block hanger is installed, it should look like this as shown. We want to repeat the same action on the other side. Hook it in through the hole, swing it down, hook it in through the hole, and swing it down. The only additional purchase you need to make to have your loading stand ready to load is to go to your local home center, or many people may already have a concrete block laying around in their garage or their basement. What we want to do is slide the concrete block underneath the stand as shown. Take one of the steel concrete block hangers and pull it towards you. Lift up the concrete block and swing in the concrete block hanger. As you can see, the concrete block is held in place. Come around to the other side and pick up concrete block so it is a little above parallel to the floor. Swing in the other concrete block hanger so both concrete block hangers are parallel and set the block down. Your reloading stand is now safe to reload. Do not use the Lee reloading stand without a concrete block installed. The minimum concrete block size allowable is 4 inch by 8 inch by 16 inches long. The Lee reloading stand is designed to accept up to a 10 inch block. which can be obtained again at any supply or home center.